very cool Thursday afternoon. We went from 100 degrees all the way down to 50 degrees. We are out here by Whiteside and 50. And we got a eastbound intermodal on the main. And I think it might be starting to sprinkle. It looks like it could rain anytime. This is a pretty long intermodal. And he looks like he might be slowing down. So we might be seeing a westbound coming here shortly and occupying the passing siding here. Looks like this intermodal's got a couple DPUs on it. Looking like a UP DPU and maybe a that might be a Southern Pacific nope, 2 UPs. Thought there for a minute that might be an Southern Pacific, the second DPU. And we got 2 of them though, 2 UPs. Let's see, we got we got 6284 and 5362. That one there looks like it's fairly clean. 6284 is. See the rear light on the second DPU. We got some old Sealand intermodals there. Kind of nice to see them old Sealands. This is definitely a there's a new beacon intermodal. That's a got a refrigerated unit on it. Quite a few intermodals. This is probably about a 1.5 miles long, maybe 2 miles long. Looks like they're getting ready to slow down. They're probably just about at the lights up there at by the refinery. So, yep, they're getting ready to ease on the brakes. And they'll be bringing since they're doing that, and they're past the turnout. They're past the turnout. This intermodal is. They'll be bringing a westbound, possibly a grain or another intermodal, and pull along the side here, and then they'll probably, unless they can ease on through, which I'd say they're probably going to stop here anytime. Yeah, they could be slowly easing up on the speed or bringing back the speed up if they got a green light down there. But I'd say they're probably going to come to a stop. And we'll pause the video and see if they, well, looks like they're going to maybe just get past the turnout down there to where they can open up, it'll be open up for westbound to go through the, and go back on the main heading out west. Now, he might be picking back up speed. Well, sounds like they're going to stop, but then it sounds like they're going to move. And okay, we got a eastbound, maybe a maintenance train. Oh yeah, we got a eastbound maintenance train with a lot of rail on it. Now that's a SD70M going by. And the intermodal is heading out east. they go through the, heading through the turnout and onto the main. And we got a double red. And there goes the intermodal. I don't know, we might see some more trains. If that westbound catches the siding outside of Arlington, we might see, looks like he's stopping down there or slowing down, I think. So, well, he's still going, so we'll see what happens. He gets on, heads on west and gets that siding there at Arlington. We might see another eastbound coming from Pratt. Guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Have a good one. And happy Thursday.